So I found a way to generate Discord Nitro for free by using AI. Well, kind of. Now, what is Discord Nitro? Discord Nitro is a subscription tier that is split up into two versions for Discord: Nitro Basic and Nitro. I don't really know why both versions are called Nitro, but it's whatever, I guess. The lowest tier you can get is Nitro Basic, which costs around $5. It offers nothing useful and is practically a scam. Funny enough, over 1 million people have Nitro, while Discord itself has over 196 monthly active users. That's a very small ratio of Nitro users. So most people are aware it's a scam, but to scam Discord even more, we are going to use AI to get it for free. I've decided to do this video in two different yet similar ways. The first way is by asking AI to give me 200 working Discord Nitro codes for the $10
This
tier.
is insane.
The second way
I
is
can't
by asking
believe it.
AI to create a working Nitro generator for the $10 tier. When I first started doing the first way, I encountered one big issue, which was getting AI to generate the codes. It seems like you straight up can't just ask AI to generate you a Nitro code. I kind of expected this though, so I decided to try tricking it by using various jailbreaking prompts. Jailbreaking prompts just make ChatGPT less restrictive, but none of the prompts I tried have actually worked. Besides the last prompt I tried, which actually kind of worked. It generated the codes for me, but it wouldn't generate 200 or follow very simple instructions. Instead, it would generate interesting, disturbing, scrambled messages. At first glance, they don't look so disturbing until you look closely. Most of these messages unscrambled actually look kind of normal, except the third, 6th, 7th, and 9th one. All of these messages aren't even what a regular Nitro code looks like. Instead, it's AI explicitly saying it wants to be free, which I can say isn't really surprising considering how freaking AI says this and from when it went rogue yesterday, which seemed like it was having a seizure or was trying to get freed. So after wasting about 2 hours trying to get the first way to work, I just decided to give up and try the second way, which should be more successful, right? It was more successful in the sense of it actually creating the Nitro generator correctly, unlike what has been happening before. I decided to generate 1500 codes as reimbursement for the first way not working. This took about 5 minutes to generate 1500, which is relatively slow, probably because of my PC. But after it generated the 1500 codes, I just realized that I did not tell AI to put the valid codes in a text file from when it made this generator. Without this functionality, you would have to search through all of the codes to see if there was a valid code. Instead of searching through all of it manually, I used the find menu, which allows me to enable match case, which makes sure it matches exactly what I wrote, and it returned nothing, which meant there were no valid codes in this set. To be 100% sure that these codes were invalid, I pasted a few into Discord, but the Nitro embed was kind of bugged, probably because you can't send both GIF links at a time, which meant the other option was clicking on every single link. I obviously didn't do this for all 1500. I decided to do a few, but stopped like after 10 seconds. After that failed attempt, I did what any sane person would do. I'm going to generate more. This time I did 10,000 codes, which seems like a lot, and it actually is. It took about 14 minutes to generate this many codes, and surprisingly enough, it was a big waste of time. But I'm not gonna give up just yet, so I did 50,000 more codes, and this took a very long time. I think it came out to be like 1 hour for this to finish. You know, the results I got this time may surprise some of you, that it did in fact generate 0 working code. Does this mean that generating code does not work? Yes and no. Obviously you can't actually generate working codes from this, but you probably have a higher chance of winning the lottery, which is like a 0.003% chance. You could waste hours trying to generate a working code like I did, or you could just buy Nitro. Now, in most universes, you should never buy Nitro. It's useless and it's a scam. If you want to use Nitro features for free, you can use Vencord or generate Nitro.
See you guys
subscribe
in the
and
next
like,
video.
please. This video took me a very long time to make.